Tell me about the story of Abraham Lincoln. The title of that was
Saving the Birds.
Yeah. Okay.
So one day, all of their friends were riding horses and him too.
Mm-hmm.
So one day, so he saw
Mm-hmm.
a bird's nest,
Mm-hmm.
and he and the other friends were just walking away because they didn't really care.
Mm-hmm.
But Abraham Lincoln saved the birds, and then he put them back in the nest and back up in the tree. And then their friends were laughing at him because they were like, "Why would you save that bird?" And then Abraham Lincoln
Uh-huh.
said, I couldn't sleep if I didn't save those birds. And then he went back to his friends.
Okay.